welcome back to another video, everyone. So I am going to be doing a fill on a client, and I will be transitioning from Halloween into winter nails in this video because, of course, after that we'll be more into Christmas nails. So I am shortening her Halloween set that she had. They were really cute, stamping plates from MANIOLOGY and polishes from Daily Charm. So I'm using my disc bit and shortening them. I find this is the quickest way to do that. It gets a really nice straight across nail when you're shortening. And I will put all the links for every product I used, or the ones that I can find, down in the description. I do, on some of the links, receive a small commission, some I do not, but they're all going to be down there. And there will be coupon codes as well with some of the products that I do have coupon codes for. So I'm using a Coarse carbide bit, and it's from Erika's ATA. It's my favorite for quickly removing the thicker top coat that I have on all my clients and the color, so I can check for lifting. So I'm just going to let you watch me remove the top coat in color and check for that lifting, and I will speed it up a bit so it doesn't drag on this video. But a lot of my subscribers like to see the fill from beginning to end, so I am going to show that, just speeding it up so it doesn't take quite as long. So I've done the removal, just wiping off the dust with my brush, and now cuticles I will be doing. And I'm just removing the cuticle off the natural nail. She actually has really good cuticles. A lot of times I don't have to trim them or anything, but I just want to make sure and push them back, and any shine on the natural nail around the cuticle so everything bonds nicely. I'm just going to grab the dust brush and remove any dust, and then I'm just going to take my 180 grit file, and I'm just going to shape the nails. I find it easier to do that now, and then I don't have to do as much filing once I apply the builder gels. So I will quickly do them and make sure my length is pretty close on all of them at this point too. So taking some prep spray to remove any oils or dust that may be left on the nails before applying product. And I'm going to grab my Magic Gel primer pen, and I just apply that anywhere where the natural nail is showing and needs product so it bonds nicely. And once I have that on, it dries very, very quickly. I will grab my Magic Gel base coat, and with the Magic Gel base coat, you just do a really thin layer over the nails, and just make sure you don't get it on the cuticle, of course, because it could cause lifting. So once in a while, if I feel that I got a speck on there, you'll see me wiping it with my glove. That's why it's nice wearing gloves. I'm not going to cause any allergies on myself because I am wiping with a glove versus my finger or my skin. Once I have this on all of her nails, I will cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to grab my builder gel from Magic Gel and I will apply it to the nail, and I will make sure I have a good apex on all of them too. I flash cure each nail when I do apply the builder gel, and then I'll fully cure them once they're done. I think I show you 3 of the nails. I'm not going to show you all of the nails. So what I do is I apply a slip layer, and then I grab a bead of the gel and I float it over the nail just to fill it in nicely, mostly up by the cuticle where there was no product. And then I check the apex, which I'm doing here, making sure it's good. And of course, again, you don't want to get any of that builder gel on the cuticles. And then once I feel it's good, I'll flash cure and then move on to the next one. So I will just let you watch me apply to these 2 nails, and then I'll be back when I am ready to explain the next step again. So I am done applying the builders. They cure for 60 seconds. Now taking my file, my mini file, of course, and just finish filing them. If you apply the product correctly, the builder gel, you shouldn't have to do a whole lot of filing. So I mainly do more of the tip of the nail and just make sure that it's not too thick along the edges and everything's smooth, of course. And I just do all of them. I did speed it up, of course, you can see, just trying to get through the video because I'm sure you're more interested in seeing the art than anything in the color that I'll be using. But once I'm done that, I buff the nails. I didn't show it in the video. So once it's completely filed to where I'm happy, I'll take a buffing block, just smooth over all of the nails to remove the shine so the gel polishes bond nicely to everything. And I did wipe them, of course, with isopropyl alcohol after I buffed them. I didn't show that either, but once I'm done this, I'll get right into the gel polishes that I'm using in this video. The gel polishes I'm using are going to all be from Daily Charm. I don't have the name of each one offhand as I'm doing the voiceover for this video, but they will be down below and you'll be able to find them all, as well as the links and my coupon code from them. They have the best gel polishes. So I'm applying a base to this nail, and it's going to be close to the glitter, actual Twinkle Flash glitter gel polish I'll be using. I just find it makes it a lot easier to apply that Twinkle Flash glitter because it doesn't make the nail so thick then. You get better coverage. So doing the pinky and the thumb, and these cure for 30 seconds. And now once I'm done the thumb, you'll see me grab the Twinkle Flash glitter. It's so pretty. So in dim light, it really sparkles, and I'll show you that at the end when I'm done this set, how pretty the Twinkle Flash glitter is in the dim light. But anyways, so just finishing this one, and you'll see that right away. So here it is. It's so, so pretty. So I just have to go over it and make sure, you know, it's pretty covered pretty good. It doesn't have to be perfect because that purple color similar is below, but it looks really nice. So next, applying a very neutral gel polish from Daily Charm. This one gets used a lot by a lot of my clients. It's not white, but it's an off-white, and it's just a really nice color. You'll see that once the nails are done again, but I'll do 2 of the nails in this, and I'm showing you the second coat already. I didn't show the other nail, which is right beside that I did 1 coat, and with 2 coats it covers so nicely. That's what I love about Daily Charm polishes. Most are 2-coat coverage. So finishing up these ones, and then I'm going to do the art on the ring finger. I will be doing a plaid nail on this one. So we're going to add the color that I put below the Twinkle Flash glitter before on just a quarter of the nail. I just want to make a nice line right down and then fill it in, as you can see, on the one side. And it will cure for 30 seconds before I do the next step of this plaid nail, because I need to apply the Twinkle Flash glitter on top once it's on there. And okay, it's cured now, so applying the Twinkle Flash glitter just really quick. I did speed this up a little bit so it doesn't take quite as long to watch, and I thought you might appreciate that. You guys have to let me know if you like seeing the fill from beginning to end, or if you just want to see me applying the color and the art. It's up to you guys. Let me know. Whatever you decide is what I will do. So now I am taking a pink, which will be applied to the one nail that I have not covered yet after I'm done this nail. So it's just a pink line right beside the purple Twinkle Flash glitter, and then cured it. Now applying Daily Charms Perfect White and doing 2 lines across here. You'll see me doing that. And each time I do different colors, I do flash cure it before doing the next step. Next, I put Daily Charms Perfect Black on my palette. I went to the other hand just so you could see the line. I felt you couldn't see it in the camera on the other one, but so on the opposite side of the Twinkle Flash, I added the black line all the way down and cured it, and now I'm going across just below both of those white lines, straight as I can. And then once I have those lines done, it'll cure for 30 seconds and this nail will be done. I really like how the plaid nail looked with the Twinkle Flash glitter on the one side. It was just a little bit different and turned out really good. So now taking a pink from Daily Charm. This one is called Blush. I will only need 2 coats just to pull together the plaid nail that had the pink in it with the same pink I'm putting on this one. Just a really pretty pink, a really popular pink as well in the summer. Obviously in the winter, if you want a pink, it's the one a lot of clients like using. It complements the neutral colors and the purple so nicely. So doing that second coat on this one, and then This Elf here for 30 seconds. Then I have the cutest gnome stickers I got last year at the end of the year. Never got to use them, so I want to use them on this client. And I did get a bunch of different ones. You can see that video in the top right hand corner. And it has so many cute stickers in that video. You can see where I got them from. I'll have them down below as well, the link for them. But they had some glitter in these gnome ones, and I just think they look so nice with the plaid nail. So there's the gnome I'm using. How cute, right? So making sure I get it stuck down good. I did wipe the nail with some isopropyl alcohol though, because Daily Charm gel polishes do have that kind of sticky inhibition layer. So wipe that, pushed it down, and now I'm just going to show you two of the nails top coating with my thicker top coat. I always use a thicker top coat. I just feel it balances the nails so nicely. And if you have like stickers or anything like glitter that needs a little bit more coverage, it's perfect for that. And then nothing will chip or come up in the 3 weeks that you'll be wearing these nails. So as soon as I'm done those two nails, I will show you the finished nails, of course. So the nails are done. I'm going to show you first with the lights dimmed. How pretty is that Twinkle Flash glitter? How cute is this set? I don't know about you guys, but I love this set. And here it is again with the lights dimmed, just showing you it a little bit different, but so pretty. And then the next one, I think I just, I still have the lights dimmed in this one. Wanted to show you kind of more of a close-up of them. And then the last shot I did, it's the lights just normal, and look at how pretty they still are. I love this set. Let me know what you thought of this set. If you could like this video and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see everybody in the next one.